Haitian family, welcome back, baby. Please don't forget to give me a like, to subscribe to my channel, to leave a comment for me. This is how you can support me and help me grow and show me you appreciate what I'm doing. And when I see a like on my video, when I see a comment, that make me very happy. So I appreciate you guys for that. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make Haitian Lalo. We call it Lalo, so you use multiple green, and I'm gonna show you how I cook my bean. I love to put those stuff in the bean that make it healthy for you guys. I know you might say, oh, it's boiled too much, but it still do something, baby. You know you're gonna like to laugh. I have to give you guys that life to make your day. So guys, let's clean our meat. So we're gonna clean our meat, and then we're gonna do all the process. I wanna say merci à tout haïtien qui la, qui supporte, qui partage, qui like et qui ba mon petit temps regarder vidéo ça. Continuez abonner, continuez partager, continuez like vidéo. Moi j'aime nous en pile. And I love everybody that's watch my video. And even people that don't watch them, bring them to the family to watch my video, to give me some love, because I love love. This is sour orange I use to clean my meat, but sometimes you might see me use the bottle one, but I find this one on a store, so I buy it instead of use the bottle. Today we're using that one. So we have lemon, we have parsley and hot pepper, okay? Ok guys, mwen vle di nou mersi, pataje, abone, mwen remen nou, supportem and like. Guys, this is how Haitian people like to wash their meat with this water, but now, guys, you know how I like to use it. That's my seasoning. I'm making a seasoning for the meat. This is how I like my meat to clean. I wash it on the sink and use hot water from the sink too. But today I use this style because I want to show some way, the way we Asian do it properly. Ok, se façon ça, nous même haïtien, nous nettoyons variant, okay? So guys, this is my seasoning. I just make that one to show you guys how I make it. But I have a video how I make seasoning before, but guess what? I'm gonna have one more coming because there is multiple way you can make it and make your food taste good. So guys, this is the beautiful meat, the seasoning and it. Oh my god. This is beautiful, isn't it? Yes. So this is the Lalo, but what happened is when I buy it, I clean it and I put it in my freezer without cut, because you're supposed to use the knife to chop the the leaf, like the Lalo, before you put it in your freezer. So I don't wanna do all the process and using knife. What I do, I wash it and put it in my freezer. And then after I smash it with something. And this is the easy way for me, so I don't have to do hard work. Yep. And this is it. Guys, we have some watercress on it, and we have something on it that's named coupier. I don't know how they call it. It's all, if it's all Asian people call it like that. Coupier, coupier or coupier. Mba kone. Mba mama mba papa. So guys, this is how I make it. This is so this is special. If you guys want to know what is it, ask me what is it down below, okay? Let's see if you guys watch my video. My kids wake up right now. You guys want to say hi?
Hi, I love you.
Please, 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 please watch all the video for me. This is how you can support me, to show me appreciation, guys. Si nou pa gade tout video yo, nou file yo, nou pa gade yo, nou pa supporte. You guys have to support me. Watch all the video, please, 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 please. So I don't cook. There's another way for you guys when you put your crabs and shrimp on this, but I like to do my like this because I buy this crab frozen and I don't want all my crab to disappear in there. I want to take them and eat them, so I don't want them to smash in there too, you know. I don't want them to run away from me. Stay here, crabs. So I want to make sure they stay right there. So what I do, I put it at the end after my leaf it's cooked. That's when I put it. So it still do the same thing. But I'm going to show you on a different video how you can cook all together. You don't need to do that if you want to. So this is the beautiful legume, guys.
Manman, Baju. Happy meal.
My kid's trying to say more words, but I said, no, that's not nice to say all those words. So I love you guys. Please subscribe. Abonne. Mwah, 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 mwah. All for you guys.